Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
If you ever wanted a house on a hill, you have to have a hill, and here's a nice hill. Locate where you want the house to go. Dig you some holes 42 inches in the ground. All these posts are concreted in all the way around, including the bottom. They don't touch the bottom. Take a look at this foundation, the way it's made. It's not just sitting on top of the post. The post is actually cut and contoured to where the lumber is screwed to it, nailed to it from the outside. Here's some pretty good detail shots of that. Yeah, like that. Has a band all the way around the outside and all the joists fit flush. Uses an 1 1/8" Advanitech flooring, and this is good flooring. This is not your father's OSB. This is really engineered flooring. And the plastic's there for a vapor barrier. And the whole foundation is engineered. This is going to be a 2-story farmhouse with a big tall front porch screened in. I think you're ready to call the framers. Looks like they did show up. Doesn't take them very long. They get enough guys on the crew, it gets up pretty quick. Looks like they've got the house wrap started, and the roof is almost ready for decking and soffits. The front porch is going to be a metal roof, and it'll be screened in. This is decking with foil or a radiant barrier. There we go. Now we have the decking and the paper. The soffits are there. The painter will come paint the soffits. You want to get that done before you put the shingles on, where you don't have to mask those off. Power pole will go right there. That's our temporary pole. The engineer will, all the electricity will run from that transformer to this house. Let's take a look inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 20-foot vaulted ceilings in the living room. Master suite upstairs. Kitchen right there. This is going to be a spray foam house. This is going to be a big walk-in closet. Bathroom. And this will be a little walk-around storage area. We try to use every square foot of these houses, and we get most of it. There's another walk-around right there. There will be storage behind there also. And it'll be floored and air conditioned. Next up, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, rough-in. Handrails up on the porch. Haven't got the stairs yet, but they're coming. There's all the rough-in. All the plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and you see those metal plates, those are nail guards, so the sheetrocker doesn't accidentally put a screw into your wires or plumbing. Icebox box for the ice maker. Gas for the stove. Stub outs for the sink. Double screen doors for the screened-in porch. Time for inspection, then foam. There's the foam. They spray it and it foams out, completely fills the cavity, and then they cut that off flush with the studs. And they come back and caulk and seal, and even put a little extra foam around the windows. This insulation here is more of sound barrier that you see in between the bathroom and in between the bedrooms. The wiring. I think it's time to call the sheetrock crew. Vinyl siding. Painted the soffits white. Got the back porch on. A few little steps. Hardy board skirting. Let's go. Sheet rock. Or is it drywall? I think that depends on your accent. Now it's all hung. They've not taped and floated it yet. Now they have texture. Very good. Trim guy showed up. When you have the trim guy, make sure he doesn't put the doors all the way down on the floor or your baseboards. That way you can get it all painted and get your floors under your baseboards and under the doors. If you have vinyl plank or carpet, they go up a little different height. Painters. I think that's a Sherwin-Williams wicker color. And this painter really does an excellent job. I just love to feel the edges of this. It's just like butter. Very nice. It's a little utility room. The dryer on the right, the washer on the left. Nice little look over from the master suite where you can see down into the living area. Stand-up tub shower. Just a little extra storage area. We've had people turn it into a little makeup room, put some mirrors and lights in there. The floor. Got the floor in, got the cabinets in. Light switches, lights, switches, fans. You can configure these walk-in closets however you want. Carpet down the stairs. Here's our little look over. You can yell at the kids. It's a feature. Kitchen. I like the white cabinets with this color. The vent for the vent-a-hood will eventually get covered. There's our utility room. Downstairs bath. Look at all that oil rub bronze. Who oil rubs all that? Is that a job you can actually get? Well, looks like we're about finished here. Two bedrooms downstairs, one master upstairs. Nice. This house turned out great. One house on the hill, just like you ordered. Off to the next project.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.